Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If your app store is asking for an old Apple ID password on iOS 17, it usually happens because some contents, app subscriptions, or purchase is tied to the old Apple ID. So, in order to fix it, simply tap on the Settings app on your mobile device and now on the top, tap on your Apple ID. Now scroll down and there you will get to see sign out option available. Simply sign out of your current Apple ID and sign in with the new one. Now, after you sign in with the new one, go to the settings general, then tap on the software update and update your iOS to the latest version. If there is an install option available, simply tap on the install and install the latest version of the iOS. Now go back to the general, scroll down, tap on the transfer reset iPhone, tap on the reset and reset all settings. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.